Let's start cooking! First time, syempre leche flan siya. What a wonderful world! What a wonderful world! Hello, my dear friends! Welcome back to my channel! And today you are in my cooking show. Actually, this is my first time to make leche flan, my own version. I don't really know how to cook. Every time I cook, I have to refer to Google, Google yan, YouTube yan, ganyan. And then, sometimes I just cook food here. Anyway, it's only my daughter and my husband. And they don't really know if it's authentic Filipino, So they cannot complain. But now, I just wanna try to make leche flan. It's my first time, okay? So I'm just using evaporated milk, condensed milk, and egg. Usually, what I can see, the egg, they are just using the egg yolk. But me, I will try to use the whole egg. Sayang naman eh. Medyo, I'm kuripot. I don't wanna waste. Let's start cooking! So, these are my ingredients. 1 evap milk, 1 condensed milk, 4 whole egg, and a tablespoon of vanilla essence. Ayan. Pagkahaluin lang po lahat yan. And, steam natin. Ayan. Set aside. I don't have my small llanera, so this is what I'm gonna use for the caramelized sugar. Yeah, we'll prepare for the llanera po. Ang first timer. First timer. And then now, let's put the mixture. Yeah, it's ready. And then we will steam it for 40 minutes. And then now we finish steaming, and then we'll left it in the fridge for overnight. And then we'll see the first timer. So ito po, we use the whole egg. Ayan. So let's see. Wow! Yay! Okay. First time po na nag-leche flan tayo. Okay. Let's see. Yan. Siyempre, leche flan siya. Kaya lang, yun nga, I don't know if it's better or not for using the whole egg. Ayan po.